Hi Daisy, welcome to
Hi
People.
Rishita, how are you?
How are you? I'm good. How are you?
Very well.
Okay, so how are you coping up with this quarantine period at home?
It was difficult initially, but I think now I'm pretty much okay and gotten used to it. Been actually अगर बताया जाए तो सुबह कब होती है और रात कब होती है पता ही नहीं चलता
पता
क्योंकि
नहीं
घर
चलता.
के काम इतने होते हैं.
Yeah, and we keep seeing you. I think you have become a lovely cook now. We keep seeing you cutting vegetables and helping in the kitchen also.
I'm not a cook. I'm a good helper right now.
Helper, okay. So, Daisy, tell me something. During this time, like when the world has, of course, come here and they are not feeling very positive lately. So, if there's any message, or how do you keep yourself going every day?
Uh, See, as they say that you have to be positive no matter what the circumstance or what the situation is. So that is the first thing that one should keep in mind. Have happy thoughts and also have the faith that this is gonna end very soon. We just need to stay put where we are right now in order to just cooperate with the government. Also for the
Yeah.
people who are not immune. Actually, nobody is, but then there's a lot of risk when it comes to older people and also infants. So that is the only reason why our government has taken this step of lockdown. So I think we should follow their rules, and as I said, that just have happy thoughts all the time.
Okay. So, a fan here called Deval is asking, please talk about your upcoming projects.
I just finished shooting for a film before the lockdown, which is called See You in Court.
Yeah.
Uh, I'm just waiting for everything to resume, so that I can get back to work and be in my happy space where I like working.
Missing cameras already.
Actually, I'm missing my team because my team
Okay.
is my second family. So I haven't
Oh,
met them
that's so
since
sweet.
really long now. So my makeup guy, my hair, also my boy, my manager. So there are a lot of people whom I've not met. The only way of communicating with them and seeing them is a video call today. So
Yeah.
yeah, this should pass. This should pass. Yeah.
Okay. And what about being fit at home? We are seeing everyone's out there putting videos of, working out from home. So how are you coping up with that?
I wouldn't say that I'm not working out because there's a lot of physical activity that I'm doing throughout the day. But if I get time, like I really miss my cardio because I don't have any kind of cardio machine in my house. So what I try to do is like I do my building ka steps upar niche for like 10 times, and that covers up pretty much my cardio because I live in a building which is 15 stories. So
Okay.
10 times 150 steps हो जाते हैं.
Okay. Also, during times like these, everyone's like talking about physical health and all of that. But what about mental health? Because now everyone's mental state is like kind of taking a toll on themselves. And I remember in an interview you had spoken about mental health and you had told that, even today there are very less people who are out there who want to talk about it.
Uh, there is nothing wrong. One shouldn't feel that they are putting themselves down by talking about their fears and talking about what they are going through, because that is the only way you can overcome it. So if it's depression, please go see a doctor because that is very very important. And again, putting yourself in a very difficult mental state is also going to put your family in a difficult mental state. So uh, you need to stay sane in such situations. And also I feel that uh, like as you said, that a lot of people are going through this problem. I also feel it's because just say I stay with my family, so I am pretty much occupied. My mental state is pretty much occupied all the time. But there are a lot of people who are living alone. Like one of my friend is all by himself. His family is out
Okay.
in Greece. So I keep talking to him, and he tells me that this is the only way that I can keep myself sane. Otherwise, I'll go mad if I have to be alone all the time. I mean,
Yeah,
the other OTT platforms, देख देख के आप कितना देखेंगे, right? Even
exactly.
I've been watching a lot of shows. I've been watching a lot of movies. But yesterday I had that thing that now what? इसके बाद
Yeah.
क्या?
I get it. True. It happens. Okay.
So
So
you have that barrier sometimes coming. It's only you who can overcome that barrier.
true. Okay. So Swati here is asking, what are you currently binge watching?
I just finished watching The Protector last night.
Okay.
Now, this is a confession that I have to make. Every time I finish a series, I'm like, oh shit, मेरी तो life खत्म हो गई अब इसके बाद मुझे क्या करना है? So
Yeah, that happens.
now today I am in this dilemma where what should I watch? This or
What?
that? This or that? So I have actually seen a lot of SHITTY series. uh, and then because I've seen 2 episodes, I'm like, अरे यार इतना देख लिया है और
Yeah.
time
Let's
waste
watch
करना
it.
ही है तो और भी कर लेते हैं, कोई problem नहीं है. So yeah, I think I want to ask all your followers who are watching us right now, please suggest some names which I can watch on the OTT platforms because I am currently blank here.
Okay. I'm sure they'll. Okay. Someone has already written, watch Stranger Things, watch Money
I
Heist.
finished
You already
watching.
have
Yeah, I finished watching both of those.
both of those. Okay. That's okay. Someone is saying, please watch Asur. Okay. It's a show on Woot. It's called
Okay.
Asur.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Daisy, are you using the little bit of free time that you're right now getting into, practicing a new habit or doing something which was already there but you had left it long back?
Like I wanted to try my hands on painting, but again, all the stationery shops are shut, so I don't have any material to try my hands on it. But the only obvious option that I see here is try to learn cooking. So I baked a cake 2 days back, and
That's
I
great.
might do a video doing it. I'm
Yeah,
not a
please
pro,
do.
but
I'm sure everyone's very interested.
I managed to bake an edible cake.
Okay. Okay. Oh, there's one more suggestion. 3 people have actually written it. Watch Special Ops on Hotstar.
Okay. Sana, this one's for you. I'm gonna watch it for her.
Okay. And okay, so one fan is saying, Daisy ma'am, you're so beautiful. Please say hi to all your fans. Okay, they just
Hi
want to hear a hi.
everyone. Thank you so much for the compliments and the love that you shower on us. That means the world to us.
Okay. Also, Dharat J here is asking your favorite dish and can you cook it?
Okay. I have a major sweet tooth. I love pastries. That is my weakness. And no, I can't cook it. I'm happy I can't cook it.
Okay. Also, Daisy, sometime back I saw a post on your Instagram where you were urging people to help animals as well. And even you have pet at home.
Yeah.
Right. So is that why you get so relatable about going out and helping not only humans but also animals?
No, I understand the need of the work that we have to do in this current situation, but again, see, okay, this can be a hate thing, this can be a love thing. A lot of people might take this in a very negative way, but what I personally feel is that for animals, they don't have a voice. We can be their voice. Like I can understand there are humans outside who are home, they don't have homes, they are struggling to get food, but at least they have the mouth to ask for it. Animals don't. So I believe in being their voice. That's it.
Okay. And if I ask you any precaution or any message or any tip you want to give all your fans during the period of this virus and how to, stay sort of safe, what would that be?
The only way to stay safe is stay at home, because अगर आपका किसी के साथ physical contact होगा ही नहीं या होना ही नहीं है तो ये disease spread नहीं होगी. Firstly, it's that, and secondly, even though if you have to step out because of necessary reasons, like there are a lot of people who go out. I myself go out to buy groceries, so that is खाना नहीं होगा तो खाएंगे क्या घर में, right? So that is very important. So I take the precautionary measures for it. I do not leave my house without the latex gloves. I do not leave my house without a mask. I do not leave the house without my shades, and I do not wear chappals or slippers. I make sure that I'm wearing shoes so my feet are covered, and obviously full sleeves t-shirts and full pants, so no shorts. no half sleeves, no sleeveless, so everything is covered.
Okay, that's
And
great.
the minute I come to my house, so the first thing that goes in the bin is the latex gloves, the mask, all the clothes that I'm wearing immediately goes into the washing machine, and I sanitize my hands. I step into the shower immediately, and that after everything is cleaned, I come sit in the living area with my family, and that's when I interact. So simple things, the very simple things.
Okay. Okay, so here a fan named Dharat is asking, what will be the first thing you will do once the lockdown is over?
I think I'll go to the gym because I'm missing my
Okay.
gym. I like working out, but I'm missing my Pilates. I'm missing my EMS training. I am missing my treadmills and my cycles. So that is something that I'm gonna do the minute the lockdown is over.
Okay. Atit is saying, hello Daisy, our Gujarat ki shan. Will we be seeing you in Gujarati movies?
કેમ છો નમસ્તે મેં અત્યારે જે ગુજરાતી ફિલ્મ કરી છે એનું નામ છે ગુજરાત 11 and hopefully I am waiting for some good offers to come and I might star in one of the Gujarati films again.
That's great. Okay. Also, sometime back only, I was just going through Instagram and I saw that even today, as in for public figures, it's always there that when you are on any social media platform, there's always some kind of troll and hate that comes towards you.
Yeah.
So, how do you deal with that?
Well, a very, very dear friend of mine gave me one guru mantra. Okay, so this is something for everybody who's here, who's watching us. It's a very simple thing. A person can give you only what they have, right? So if you are only offering love to someone, you are full of it. That's why मतलब आपके पास overflow हो रहा है वो, इसलिए आप दूसरे को दे रहे हो. Same thing comes with hatred. You have so much within yourself that is the only thing you have to offer. So rather than feeling bad and letting that affect you, there's only one thing that you can give it out in the universe, saying that God bless you because you are suffering.
True. Okay, that's great. Shikha here is asking, are you following any particular diet?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I think this is just an excuse. Lockdown is an excuse for me not to diet because then every day if I have to diet and then I have to tell myself, अरे यार आज घर का बहुत काम है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, एनर्जी चाहिए.
Okay. And Jeetu, you're saying, please, ma'am, say one dialogue in Gujarati.
Oh my God, Gujarati.
You can pick any dialogue.
Which one? From a Bollywood film or
any of your dialogues, any Gujarati films dialogue, whatever you feel like.
Okay, I'll just say our business wala, which I also
yeah, I was just going to tell that to you. That's like world class famous now.
So it's like Maro Vyapar, Ema Taro Kai Vyapar Nathi. I think I said it.
That's great, yeah. Okay. Someone's asking, ma'am, do you know Bengali? Please work in Bengali films.
I would love to work in a Bengali film. In fact, just I need the right person to get me in that industry, I guess. But the maximum that I know the words in Bengali is Kemon ache. That's it. Nothing more than that.
Okay. Also, okay. Saurav here is asking that with so many years in the industry, if you were asked to give one tip to a newcomer, what would that be?
Do not let anything affect you. That is something that you need to know. You have to be a thick-skinned person. लोग आएंगे, बहुत सारी चीजें बोलेंगे आपको. Trolls भी बहुत होंगे. You just have to let all those things go. It's like ऐसे भी नहीं जाना, ऊपर से चले जाने दो.
Okay, that was great, Daisy. Lastly, if there's any message for all your fans, because everyone here is asking, please say something, please say hi. So if one message you have to give to all your fans here.
Considering the current scenario, the only message that I would give out to the people is please stay at home. Do not leave your unless it is absolutely necessary, because अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको कुछ नहीं होगा, पर आपके घर में बहुत लोग हैं जिनको कुछ हो सकता है आपकी आपकी क्या बोलते हो उसको, इग्नोरेंस की वजह से. सो just for the sake of your loved ones and your dear ones, do not step out of your house, please. And that's
Okay.
it. Just stay happy, keep a positive mind. ये दिमाग में रखो कि ये जितना भी है थोड़े दिन का है, सह लो. तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, बहुत कुछ आया लाइफ में, इतना भी सह लो.
That's so sweet. Thank you so much for being with us, Daisy. That was great talking to
Thank
you. All the very best.
you so much. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye.
Take care. Bye.